Hello everyone, today we'll make a shoes web design in Figma in less than 5 minutes. First let's take a frame of desktop. Keep the color black. Now I'll teach you how to make a perfect, simple and amazing navbar. As you can see, this logo is generated by AI, Microsoft Bing Image Creator. And this is not a circle, it's a rectangle with a 114 pixel corner radius. You can absolutely use a circle from the shape tool above. After that, we have the navbar menu section, Home, About Us, and more. The font for Home is Go-To, and the same details apply to About Us and more. The font size is 23 pixels, font weight is regular, and the color is white. Next, we have a line shape from the Shape tool, which looks great. Then there's a simple sign-up button. Let's first discuss the sign-up button's font details. The text is black, the font is Poppins, font weight is medium, and the font size is 20 pixels. For the rectangle, the width is 125, height is 49, corner radius is 47. Now, let's move on to the main heading, which says, Shop Our Stunning Shoe Collection. The font is Le Laser with a regular weight and a font size of 96 pixels. Next comes the glass morphism effect. Many people find this tricky, so let me show you how to create it from scratch. First, take a rectangle from the Shape tool, set its width and height, and give it a 62 pixel corner radius. Reduce the color opacity to somewhere between 1% and 10%. Then, go to Effects, enable the background blur option and set it. For the strokes, use the font color and set the stroke width to 1 pixel. Place the heading above this rectangle, using the layer sidebar to position it perfectly. Now for the subheading. The font is Poppins with regular weight, 20 pixel font size, and white color. Below that, add 2 buttons designed just like the sign up button. For the Explore button, remove the fill and use only strokes. Finally, let's add an image of a shoe. I grabbed this image from the internet and removed its background. To create the shadow below it, use a circle shape. Set its width and height, apply a layer blur, and adjust the linear layer blur effect. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.